Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain B&H Photo Video Pro Audio App review to see what you're using. So to get started with a breakdown about this platform, B&H Photo Video Pro Audio App is a reliable shopping tool for photographers, videographers, and tech enthusiasts. It gives user access to a huge catalog of cameras, audio gears, computers, and more, all with detailed spec, image, and review. The app is fast, easy to use, and supports secure payment options like PayPal and Apple Pay. Most users love the smooth experience, fast US shipping, and the ability to track orders and save items on watch list. However, a few users, especially on Android, report minor issues like layout glitches, captures, or slow loading screens. Some also mention that handling returns, especially for open box items, can be tricky at times. Still, B&H has a strong reputation for quality product and customer service. Overall, the app is worth it if you are a regular shop if you regularly shop for cameras, videos, or audio gears, and you want a trusted service with a fast delivery. Just double check returns details for used or open box item to avoid errors. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.